Types of tort law. Negligence. Negligence occurs when a person fails to exercise a level of care that a reasonably prudent person would in similar circumstances, resulting in harm to another. Elements include duty, breach, causation, and damages. Examples include car accidents and medical malpractice. Intentional torts. Intentional torts involve deliberate actions that cause harm to another person. Common types include assault, threatening immediate harm or offensive contact; battery, unlawful physical contact with another person; false imprisonment, restricting someone's freedom of movement without legal authority; intentional infliction of emotional distress, causing severe emotional distress through outrageous conduct. Strict liability. Strict liability torts hold a party liable for damages without a requirement to prove negligence or fault. These often apply in cases involving inherently dangerous activities or defective products. Examples include product liability, holding manufacturers and sellers accountable for defective products; abnormally dangerous activities, engaging in activities that are inherently hazardous, such as using explosives. Defamation. Defamation involves making false statements that harm another person's reputation. It is divided into libel, written or published defamatory statements; slander, spoken defamatory statements. Nuisance. Nuisance torts involve interference with the use and enjoyment of someone's property. It can be public nuisance, acts that affect the community or public at large, such as pollution; private nuisance, acts that affect an individual's use and enjoyment of their property, such as excessive noise from a neighbor. Trespass. Trespass involves the unlawful entry onto someone else's property. It includes trespass to land, entering another person's property without permission; trespass to chattels, interfering with another person's personal property; conversion, taking or using someone's personal property without consent, effectively depriving them of its use. Economic torts. Economic torts involve wrongful acts that cause financial loss. These include fraud, deliberate deception to secure unfair or unlawful gain; interference with contractual relations, intentionally causing one party to breach a contract with another; interference with economic advantage, wrongfully interfering with someone's business relationships. Breach of fiduciary duty. This tort occurs when a person in a position of trust fails to act in the best interests of another party. Common contexts include relationships between trustees and beneficiaries, corporate directors and shareholders, attorneys and clients,